To be able to control the LOD or level of detail of an object inside of UEFN, the vertex count must be less than 50,000. If it is more than 50,000, the engine will automatically control the LODs, giving us very little to no control over how our objects are seen in game. The LOD group has some general settings that we can use for things like foliage, large prop, architecture, or something that's going to be way off in the distance like Vista. To visualize any of these LOD groups, come up here to where it actually says Show, make sure that Nanite Fallback is toggled on. Next, come up where it says Auto LOD, and then choose the LOD that you would like to visualize. Each one of these will show what this duck will look like at this specific LOD. For those of you that are taking notes, the current screen size is the value that the engine is using to swap between LODs. For example, let's go ahead and change our LOD to LOD1. Looking over here inside of the details panel, we can see that our screen size is 0.2, which means, let's go back into auto to show you an example of this. If we watch our current screen size, and as this gets down to 0.2, you will notice that the nanite fallback triangles will actually swap. That means that we are now looking at our LOD2. To visualize this even more clear, let's go up to where it says lit and change this to wireframe. And now as we zoom in and out, you can see the density of this object change automatically. To help clarify this even further, notice as we change between the different LODs, you can see the density of the mesh actually swap.